Good afternoon, dear students. As we have completed successfully first two chapters, and now we are stepping into third chapter, that is partnership accounts. அதில் in this lesson we are going to learn the fundamental aspects. Okay, Uma? Just let me point out what it contains. Meaning and definition of features of partnership, partnership deed, applications of provisions of the Indian Partnership Act of 1932 in options of partnership deed. This is very, very important, ma. Please note in mind. Final accounts of partnership firm, methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners, interest on capitals and interest on drawings, salary and commission, interest on loan, division of profits and profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, ma? So about all these things we are going to learn in this lesson. So before going to see sums, the basic theories what I want to teach you now, even what we studied already in plus one commerce la, various forms of business organization we studied allama. Sole tradership, partnership, joint stock company, cooperative organization, government organizations, all we studied allama in plus one. Basic fundamental theories all. But now we need something a little bit about theories while doing sums also. ஏன்னா அக்கௌண்ட்ஸில் தியரி இஸ் த ஃபார்முலா மாதிரி இல்லையாம்மா. தியரி தரவாக இருந்தோம்னா டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த சம் as well as to do the sum it is very easy. ஏன்னா what we studied in theory that only we are going to apply while doing sums. ஓகேவா? Now as you know very well, the business started by single person is called as sole trading business, and when two or more than two persons join together, and if they do that business na, this type of business what we can call it as partnership business. Suppose A, B, C, three of them join together and doing business na, it is called partnership business. இதில் A, B, C எல்லாமே செப்பரேட்டா. A is one of the partner, B is one of the partner and C is one of the partner. Totally we can call them as firm. Sorry. And what name they are going to choose for their business is called firm name. So three names, three words we have to learn. Individually every person doing business is called partner. Collectively, totally altogether called as firm. And what name they are going to choose for their business is called firm name. Okay, ma? Then here, before going to proceed further, why we need to start this partnership size of business? As you know very well, because of sole trading business, some demerits are there. Only one person, those who look after everything A to Z, so more work burden, and he alone contribute capital. To what extent he is having well enough, but there may be some limit. 10 lakhs na 10 lakhs தான் போட முடியும், 10 crores na 10 crores தான் போட முடியும். But அதே 2, 3, 5 members join together na, each one contributing 10 lakhs na 50 lakhs, 50 crores. Just think over. So more capital is possible. And also in sole trading only one person managing everything, so no chance to share the work burden. But here each one can share the work burden also. Okay, ma? So finally they are going to share the profit or loss in an agreed ratio. So in short what we can say, to overcome the demerits of sole trading business, that partnership business was started. And in India there is one separate act to regulate the partnership business, that is as per the Indian Partnership Act of 1932, the business can be carried on. Even the registration is not compulsory, But as we know very well, if the business is not registered, it is not safe one. If any problem later arises, they find very difficult to solve the problems. So it indirectly advised to register the business. Okay, ma. Then the same, what I just pointed out, some meaning, something is given here. See, when two or more persons join together to form a business to share the profit or loss, sharing therefrom in an agreed ratio, the relationship among them is called partnership. The business may be carried on by all or any of them can acting for all. That section 4 Indian partnership right சொல்றாமா, the relation between persons who agree to share the profits business carried by all or any of them acting for all. Okay ma, good. This is the definition. From the definition, what we are going to get some characteristics of, the features of partnership business பார்க்கும்போதுமா, it's an association of two or more persons. So minimum 2 members வேணும் and maximum up to 50 வரைக்கும் இருக்கலாம். Second, there must be an agreement. Agreement நமக்கு தெரியும், the rules and regulations எல்லாம் ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணிட்டு அதில் everyone must sign the agreement. அந்த ஓரலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அவ்வளவு சேஃப் கிடையாது. If any misunderstanding, nobody will obey. Therefore, to avoid the future conflict, misunderstanding, it is better to have a written format. And the agreement is for what? To carry on, to do any business. And finally, any one of them can do the business and others will accept it. Okay, ma'am. This is simply that the features of partnership business. Then, and the characteristics, சொன்னலமா, the partnership deed சொன்னலமா? Yes. Partnership deedங்கிறது very very important. The bylaws சொல்லுவோம் partnership deed. இன்னும் சொல்ல போனால் business உடைய ஜாதகம்னே சொல்லலாம். So in absence of partnership act எதுவும் சொல்லாட்டி அவங்க partnership deedல என்ன சொன்னாங்களோ அந்த பிரகாரம் தான் they go to follow and obey. ஓகேவா? So as per that deed they go to do everything. Okay? So what it contains? அந்த partnership agreementல அந்த deedல என்னென்ன இருக்கு பாருங்க. நேம் ஆஃப் த பிஸ்னஸ், நேச்சர் அண்டு பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ். அந்த பிஸ்னஸ்க்கு நேம் என்ன மாதிரி நேச்சர் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ், டெக்ஸ்டைல் பிஸ்னஸா, ஹோட்டல் பிஸ்னஸா, இம்போர்ட் எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பிஸ்னஸா, இல்லை ஸ்டேஷ்னரி பிஸ்னஸா, இல்லை ஃபர்னிச்சர் மார்ட்டா, இந்த மாதிரி அது சொல்லணும். வேர் த பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ், வேர் தே ஆர் டூயிங் பிஸ்னஸ், த பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ். தென் டேட் ஆஃப் கமென்ஸ்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ் அண்ட் டியூரேஷன் ஆஃப் இஃப் ஃபிக்ஸ்ட், வென் தே ஸ்டார்டட் பிஸ்னஸ் அண்ட் ஹவு லாங் தே ஆர் கோயிங் டு கண்டினியூ பிஸ்னஸ் இஃப் மென்ஷன்ட். That name and address of all partners. அப்புறம் each partners how much they contribute as capital, how they are going to share the profit and loss, businessலேருந்து how much they can draw for their own use, அப்புறம் அவங்க போட்டுக்கிற கேபிட்டலுக்கு how much interest to be given, and businessலேருந்து பணம் எடுத்தாங்களாமா அந்த drawings சொல்லுவோம், அதுக்கு interest how much interest to be provided. Sometimes the partner may provide some loan more than their capital. In that case, how much each one can give loan and how much, what's the interest to be paid on that loan. And business carried by all னு சொன்னோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி அந்த பார்ட்னர் பிஸ்னஸை பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாருன்னா அவருக்கு சேலரி கொடுக்க வேண்டியது இருந்துச்சுன்னா, if they agreed, if so, how much, how to maintain the books of accounts. Suppose they started 3-4 of them joined together, they started a business 2-3 years back and now they want to admit another one more partner. What are the formalities, accounting formalities to be done? Similarly, out of 3 partners, after 5-6 years, anyone want to leave the business. In that case, one partner is going out, that is retirement of partnership. About all these things in the next forthcoming lessons, accounts also we are going to do. Okay, ma? Then, just here we are having only one chapter, but college la one subject tani admission ne irukku, retirement ne irukku. In detail you will learn more. Then, valuation of goodwill, valuation of assets and liabilities. Suppose during the working time any one partner suppose passed away, expired வச்சுக்க, இறந்துட்டாங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, அப்போ எப்படி அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுறது? அப்புறம் சப்போஸ் அப்படி இறந்துட்டாங்க கூட, இல்லை ஒரு பார்ட்னர் கோயிங் அவுட்னா கூட, ஹவு டு செட்டில் தேர் அக்கௌண்ட். அபவுட் தட் ஆல் தோஸ் மென்ஷன் இன் த பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் டீட். ஓகேம்மா, குட். And now see, this is very very important, please note in mind. Application of provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. Partnership deed la எதுவும் சொல்லல. அவங்க இதை பற்றி எதுவும் மென்ஷன் பண்ணல அப்படின்னா as per Indian Partnership Act of 1932 என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? see remuneration அந்த ஒர்க்கிங் பார்ட்னர் சொன்னலாமா those who manage the business அவருக்கு எது சேலரி எது கொடுக்கணுமா? no as per section 13 subsection A அதை நோட் இன் மைண்ட்மா அந்த பிராக்கெட்டில் கொடுத்துக்கிறான் பாரு அந்த செக்ஷன் அதை மட்டும் ஒன் வேர்ட் ஆன்சரில் கேட்பான். ஸோ as per this section no payment to be given to that partner. அப்புறம் regarding the profit sharing ratio they go to share equally. That section 13 subsection B tell about this. Then similarly interest on capital. இங்கே interest on capital also not given as per the section 13C. Then அப்படி கொடுக்கணும்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க கூட that interest on capital will be payable only out of profit only. அதையும் பார்த்துங்க. Then interest on loan given by the partnersக்குமா as per section 13D that is 6% interest on their loan to be given. Then interest on drawings. No interest can be charged on their drawings. So இதை பேஸ் பண்ணித்தான் illustration 1 கொடுத்துக்கிறான் பாருங்க. இதே தான் illustration 1. If you go through that rule how they are applying, how they are following the rule, you can understand. Okay ma? Then now come to accounting point of view, accounts, final accounts point of view regarding the partnership business. If it is a manufacturing concern na they have to prepare manufacturing account. Okay ma? Then second trading profit and loss account to ascertain the profit. Then profit and loss appropriation account to show the sharing of profits and surplus. Finally to balance it to ascertain the financial status. Okay ma? The way of preparation everything more or less same what we prepared already. Okay ma? But few more things apart from this, some more things to be also open. Okay ma? Here one more account we got to open called profit and loss appropriation account to adjust the net profit or loss. So far what interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary இதெல்லாம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணாமல் இருந்தாங்கன்னா to adjust this profit and loss appropriation account also to be open. Please note in mind. Hereafter now we are going to see one by one. Then அங்கே வந்துமா capital straight away we showed in the sole traders balance sheet. Capital காமிச்சலாமா? Then but இங்கே வந்துமா ஒரு capital account செப்பரேட்டாக we got to open and all the transactions related to capital account to be posted in the capital account. Finally adjusted capital only going to show in the balance sheet. Okay? Then now come to the main climax in this chapter is methods of maintaining capital accounts. Okay ma? So here there are two methods. One is called fixed capital method, another one is called fluctuating capital method. Okay ma? Then one by one let me teach now. Under fixed capital system na, if the partners if they agree to keep their capital fixed one, no changes, even 1 year agutama 2 year agutama all the transactions, numerous number of transactions being carried on, but they don't want to touch the capital account, it remains same as it is. So where to record all those transactions? In that case they go to open another one more account called current account. Okay ma? So except capital and additional capital to record all other items. All other items என்னமா interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, commission இதெல்லாம் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்குமா தனி ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட் they got to open and this is what you call current account. Okay? Then அப்போ fluctuatingங்கிறது the capital of the partners will be changed. Fluctuating என்னமா it will change subject to changes. January 1st it started with the 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs two partners, but the end of December it may not be same 2 and 3. It may be either 5 and 7 இருக்கலாம் இல்லை 1 and 2 கூட இருக்கலாம். It will change. That is called fluctuating capital. In that case only one account only opened. ஓகேவா? கொஸ்டின்ல கிளியராக சொல்லிடுவான். Prepare the capital account under fixed capital இல்லை fluctuating capital சொல்லிடுவான். So in short keep in mind fixed capital we got to open two account. One is capital account, next one is current account. Okay? Now come to the next page ma. அது capital account சொல்கிறாங்க பாருங்க. Capital account is created with please note in original amount of capital introduced and any additional capital introduced by them. Then it is debited with amount of capital permanently withdrawn drawings and any loss. Okay ma? Then So more or less always capital account shows credit balance da. Okay ma? Then see the format of capital account ma? The balance brought down. The way of doing, see there. Divided பண்ணிட்டோமா inner column outer column மூலமா inner column first partner outer column second partner by balance brought down, then by cash or bank additional capital, then to cash or bank other drawings. That's all. Finally that will balance figure carry down. If you balance now you will get debit side carry down and by brought down again once. Okay ma? So under fixed capital, as I pointed out now, they got to open another account சொன்னலமா, that is called current account சொன்னலமா. Yes, that current account format like that except capital introduced. See some place சொல்லிருவா current account balance, credit balance, debit balance. Credit balance na by balance brought down, debit balance na to balance brought down. That's all. Okay, except capital introduced and additional capital, all other items will be posted in this current account. Finally it may show credit balance, sometimes it may show debit balance, unlike capital account which shows always credit balance. But current account sometimes shows credit balance, sometimes shows debit balance. If credit balance means it will go to left side, if the debit balance means the balance brought down, if it comes debit side now it will go to asset side. Okay ma? See the format, that's all. Based on that I am going to teach one sum. See here, இதே sum இப்படி தான் இருக்குமா கொடுத்துருவான். From the following information prepare capital accounts of partners Shanti and Sumati when their capitals are fixed. Fixed னு சொல்லிட்டாவே இங்க 2 account open பண்ணணும். I mean capital account open பண்ணணும், current account open பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? பாத்துங்க. என்ன கொடுத்துக்கலாமா? Capital on 1st January 18 1,80,000, current account 5,000 3,000. கூட்டம் வருமா? Fixed capital சொல்லிட்டா, ரெண்டாவது current account balance கொடுத்துட்டான். So we understood we have to prepare 2 accounts. Additional capital introduced, then drawings, interest on drawings, share of profit, that's all. Now see down how to open this ma. இங்க வருமா? Partners capital account central எழுதிக்கிறீங்க. Then debit side as usual date particulars, inner column first partner, outer column second partner. Similarly credit side date particulars, then inner column first partner, outer column second partner. Then first it begins with ma by opening capital ma, that is by balance brought down. Then current account inga varada vittunga. Then additional capital introduced, that also by bank 10,000 20,000. Therefore and add பண்ணாமா 1,10,000 and inga printing mistake ஆகுமா 80 and 20 1,00,000. Then to balance carried down by balance brought down. Then to record other items current account to be open. See it is also similar to the same da. Okay ma? But it begins with the current account balance given already in the sum. See current account balance என்னமா ரெண்டு விதம் credit தான். பாருங்க credit கொடுத்தா அது கொடுக்கவே தேவையில்லை. Always credit. Debit னு கொடுத்திருந்தா that is to be posted in debit side. But ரெண்டு பார்ட்னர் credit னே கொடுத்துட்டான். Therefore current accountல by balance brought in 5,000 3,000. Then that's all. And see here as per the format, drawings and interest on drawings debited. See there ma, drawings and interest on drawings and then the partner debit பண்றீங்க. Then all other items னா share of profit, interest on capital, salary, commission எல்லாமே ஒரு பார்ட்னருக்கு சேலரிக்கு ஒரு பார்ட்னருக்கு கமிஷன் இல்லாட்டி விட்டுருங்க. All the 4 items to be credited. See here, share of profit, interest on capital, salary and commission. That's all. Now if we post it as usual, balance this one by one ma. First debit side, credit side, which is more we got to go. That's what I pointed out. Current account sometimes shows debit balance. Okay ma, when here the credit side is more, therefore the balance figure we are getting the debit side, therefore by balance run appeared in credit side, that is credit balance. Sometimes debit sides may be more, so in that case carried on will come in credit side and again balance brought on come in debit side. In that case it is debit balance. Then if you balance பண்ணீங்கன்னா சாந்தி அக்கௌண்ட்ல 30,300, இங்க 20 plus 5 30,300 minus 20,500 less பண்ணா 9,800. Similarly here இது நாளை ஆட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 17,600, இங்க minus 13,300 பண்ணீங்கன்னா 4,300 to balance carried on by balance brought down. That's all. Okay ma? Good. So this is what ma fixed capital. Third illustration also the same one. Now பார்த்துங்கம்மா அதே தான். தென் நெக்ஸ்ட்டுமா லெட் மீ டீச் ஃப்ளக்சுவேட்டிங் கேபிட்டல் சொல்லணுமா. இங்கே ஃப்ளக்சுவேட்டிங் கேபிட்டல் போதுமா all the transactions posted in capital account itself. Okay ma, interest on drawings, loss, drawings, salary, comes everything posted in capital account itself. Therefore only one account is to be opened, that is capital account. பாருங்கம்மா எல்லாமே drawings, interest on drawings எல்லாமே இங்கே தான் இருக்குது. Then come to this one illustration ma. See the fourth illustration clear as சொல்லிடுறேன். From the following information prepare capital accounts of partners மன்னன் and சேவகன் when their capitals are fluctuating னே சொல்லிட்டான். அப்போ no problem. ஓகேம்மா. Now come to this fourth sum. See capital, drawings, interest on drawings, everything. Now see here ma, capital சொன்னோம்லமா என்ன capital by balance capital 2 lakhs and printing mistake ஆகிக்குமா 1,75,000, that is 2 lakh and 1,75,000. next ma drawings and interest on drawings debit side 2 drawings each partner and the partner போடுறீங்க 2 interest on drawings. Then next ma see share of profit, interest on capital, salary, commission எல்லாமே creditல வரும். see profit and loss, share of profit, interest on capital, salary, commission. இதை balance பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get carried down and brought down. okay ma, good. That's all. With that, dear students, you copy this and similar to this sum பார்க்கும்போதுமா you can back side இருக்கிற text bookலமா sum number 2, 3, 4 these three sums you can do as homework. Sum number 2, 3, 4. okay ma, with that I would like to finish this sum and the rest of things we are going to see in the next video. okay, see you, bye.